I got on the auction site.
Oh my God, how much? Okay na. Can you go out, please? Give me a privacy.
Rosalinda, ay amor, amor.
Good morning, everything! Kati, kakaligo ko lang, kumati na naman. Good morning, everything! Hindi ko binabrush yung buhok ko, so ito yung color niya pag hibasa. And yun, naligo. Katatapos ko lang naligo, mga ka-everything! Today is Saturday tayo ngayon. And wala, nag-ano ko lang ako. Minumove ko lang yung mga couch ko malapit sa TV. Parang pinupush ko ng ganun kasi parang nasubrahan siya pagka dito wala na masyadong space. So gusto ko yung living room na yan. Parang konting ano lang, andin dito may space. Kasi dadaanan. Gusto kong maglagay ng carpet dito, guys. Rug dito. Aalis po ako mamaya. Mag-ano tayo. Punta ng tindahan. Bibili tayo ng coconut para sa buhok ko, guys. Kasi gusto ko, kasi sobrang dry itong buhok ko. So, gusto kong anuhan ng lubi. Mag-ano tayo ng lubi. Yun, maglubi tayo. Kinukuha ko lang yung mga patay-patay na na dahon. At saka ito, i-transfer ko yan. Punta ako sa Adams. Minisage ko si Lloydie kung may time ba siya. Pero mamaya pa, gusto kong magpunta doon. Bibili ako ng palm tree. Mahal naman yun pero kailangan bibili ako. Kung mahal sa Adams, punta akong Home Depot. Kasi sa Home Depot kasi, mayroon silang mga halamanan din. Kunti lang naman, pero mayroon sila. So, pag mahal sa Adams, punta tayo Home Depot para doon tayo bibili. So, nagluto din ako ng rice. Si Tammy is trabaho siya ngayong araw. Kaya yun. Nag-usap kami kaninang umaga. Nag-FaceTime kami. Anyway, kakain lang. Itong century tuna lang yung kainin natin. Ito siya, look. Century tuna, mamaya lang. And ano to ba yung cooker ko dito? Yung asawa ko ba, mahilig Inarrange niya dito, oh. Inarrange niya. Maglagay tayo ng Kasi wala tayong Ito, guys, hindi ko ito palaging sinusuot. Alam nyo ba bakit? Maliit na siya sa akin. Kasi yung binili ko ito, sobrang pa siya, maluwag. Kasi maliit ako noon. Saka ngayon, sobrang halata na, oh. Parang pangbata na siya. Pero okay naman, look. Okay naman siya. Pero lang dito. Pangbata. Ay, ginoo ko. Wala pa ring resulta sa presidential, guys. Wala pa ring resulta. Ang ingay at saka walang gana ngayon yung nila. Gusto ko sanang lumabas doon sa porch para maglagay ng kasi maganda yung panahon ngayon, guys. Di ba? Maginaw, nag-snow at saka maginaw. So ngayon, I think nasa 70 tayo ngayon. Hungry, Bobong! Umiyak, guys. Gusto ng pagkain lunch. Oh! Gutom ito sila, guys. Oh, hungry. Hungry. Gutomits. Tignan nyo to, guys. Gutom, Baba. Gutom. Okay, it's right here. Okay, that's it. That's it. Mama put so much. Not good. I can't wait na magka-good ba? Ng coconut, mag-shred. Kasi gusto ko talagang ihumol itong buhok ko sa coconut oil, shampoo, and lime. Si Biden daw yung nanalo sa president. Ano bang suotin ko? Ay, mag-sweater na lang ako So, may bago na kaming presidente or tayo dito sa Amerika. Si Biden at saka si Kamala. Si Kamala. Sabi ko, I don't feel like going to Adams, mamili ng mga halaman, Minisage ko si Lord, sabi ko, next time na lang ako, o bukas. Kasi I don't feel like going out ngayong araw. Lalabas lang talaga ako para bibili ng new kasi gusto ko, kailangan ko. Yun, and then, uwi agad. Nakausap ko si Tammy, guys. And yun, Papunta na siya sa trabaho. Si Tamimoy. Ayan, yun, mag-sweater tayo. Alam mo, itong sweater na to, gustong-gusto ko. May buslot-buslot na siya dito. Si Roxy, no? Nakakairit. Sobrang patay na patay talaga yung buhok ko, guys. Alam nyo, guys, huwag kayong magpa-color next time, guys. Kasi yung buhok nyo mamamatay talaga. Tingnan nyo. Patay na patay siya. So, ang gagawin ko is itatay ko na lang siya. Ganyan lang. Pagpatay. As in, hindi na humihinga. Yun yung buhok. Kapag kinocolor yung buhok mo, huwag ka na mag-expect na yung buhok mo is maganda yung texture. Kasi talaga, magbago talaga. Totoo talaga. Laga-laga. Okay lang yan. Basta ka ganun. So, yun. Let's go. Iwan ko muna tong mga kigwa hertz. Iwan ko muna sila. And then, tawagan ko din si Tami. Nanonood ako ng ano, guys. Kasi nakakairita yung news. Nanonood ako ng Beverly Cups. Cups Beverly something.
All the times that I got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do. See it, baby. You've got.
Hello guys, ito na yung in-order ko. Hala. Thomas. May in-order si Tommy something. I don't know. Tommy has a package here. And this is my order. Let me open it, guys. Let me open this thing. This is my order. Oh, there you go. Okay, here you go. Oh. Ito siya. Ayan, lobby. Ah, ginoo ko ang hait. Iwan ko na lang. Yan. Mag-sanitize tayo kasi package yan. Iba-iba yung humawak, diba? Iba-iba yung humawak. Sanitize all the time. Kasi, alam na this. Kailangan ko lang talaga bumili ng coconut. Alam nyo guys, na nasasad ako. Maganda, maano man yung color ng buhok ko. Okay man siya. Pero nasasad ako dahil sa ano talaga. Yung buhok ko sobrang dry. Yun yung pinaka hindi ko nagustuhan is yung buhok ko na sobrang dry talaga.
Kind of love to last forever. And I want you here.
Hi guys. So, tapos na tayo guys. Bumili lang ako ng very ano lang. Sandali lang talaga yung ano ko. Bumili din ako ng gulay para bukas kasi si Tami bukas. Alam na this. Bukas pag uwi niya, meron tayong gulay. Broccoli, carrots, and yan. Ano pa ba? Lubi dalawa. And yun lang. Sabi ko ba, paglabas ko sa sasakyan patungong tindahan, sabi ko, asan yung car key ko? Ba't umandar itong sasakyan ko na nakalimutan ko yung car key? Hindi ko na alala na kinuha ko sa drawer. And doon pala palagi sa bag ko. Dito sa dala-dala ko na bag. Oh, 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 you have a dog. You have a dog in your mouth. Package dito sa sasakyan. Yung kinuha ko kanina. Ito man yun, diba? Ano yung mga mail dito? Ito, tignan natin din kung ano tong laman. Gusto nyo mag-come in? Come in? Come in na. Come in. Holy. So, ito na siya, guys. Delikado po ito pala. Kasi sobrang, matulis. Matulis ba yun sa Tagalog? Matulis. Delikado siya kasi sobrang tulis. Alam nyo guys, kailangan kong basahin kung ano yung mga dumarating dito ng mga package or mail. Kasi paminsan ma-open ko yung mga mailman, dinadala dito yung mga sulat sa kapitbahay or sa mga malayo-layo. Dinala-dala dito. Ano ito? Tignan natin ha. Ano ito? Ano to? GoPro? Ano nag-order si Tami ng camera? Katulad ito kay Mira ah. Teka muna. Bakit nag-order siya nito? Katulad ito kay Mira. Han, did you order some GoPro?
Oh, what?
GoPro.
GoPro?
Yeah, it's like a sports camera.
Oh, it's an imitation GoPro.
Yeah, this is just like Mira's. Why you buy this?
I got it on the auction site.
Oh my god, how much?
Like $50.
Yeah, the same thing in Amazon. You can,
Don't worry about it.
you just wanna spend money, hon. No, there's no watch. There is a band, but there's nothing in there. It's empty inside. It's no watch. Seriously.
Well, I'll have to look at it when I get back and also look at it. Right now, I can't do that.
Yeah, no. Next time, don't spin like this.
Love you, hon. Bye, hon.
Bye. Love you.
Love you too. Yeah.
Habs! Habs! Skip eating that tree, ha? Iwan ko na lang sa asawa ko, guys. Iwan ko na lang. It's just like auction. Sometimes, maano ko tong asawa ko. Hi! Kumusta po kayo? Ang alangan naman. Alangan naman. Hi, guys. Alam niyo, ano yun? Mag-ano tayo, maghanap tayo ng dilis. Kasi yung kaibigan ko, binigyan ako ng dilis. Matagal na ito. Meron pa palang natira. Hanapin natin. Where is it? Where is it? Ano tayo? Lutuin ko lang po ito, guys. Matagal itong bigay niya sa akin eh. Matagal-tagal na din. I don't know. Freezer naman ito, di ba? Hindi naman ito nasisira. Konting uwi lang kapag magluto ng okay. Luto tayo, guys. Itong ano, marami kasing maliliit. So, dilis. Masarap talaga itong dilis, guys. Luto nang wala si Tami talaga. Kasi ano, mas komportable ako. Hindi man ako nahihiya. Gusto ko lang talagang magluto na wala siya. And then, lutuin ko na lang ito lahat talaga. Dilis. Hindi ko pa ito nakikita dito, guys. Kain tayo, magkamay lang ako. Meron tayong ano dyan. Kain tayo ng dilis. Meron ako sukang pinakurat. Yun. Sarap ng dilis. You have to wait, bag.
He has from two sources saying that the president will, if the president's legal challenges do nothing to open up a pathway for interim, he will graciously concede and work on a peaceful and appropriate transition of power, but that does not at all diminish the president's determination to pursue legal challenges. And in my ears, for example, I felt like that was kind of the most definitive thing we had heard today on that point.
Yes, Bob. Look, it's a fish. Okay. You won't like it. Don't kumain. It's still early, Babang. Maaga akong kumain kasi, ha? Gusto na akong kumain ng dilis. Dilis. Yan, Babang. Stop.
Have you stopped to think about how American policy changes or continues under Biden presidency? No, absolutely. When the president takes office, they have the right to make their own policies, and based on the past, we've been engaged with the future with President Joe Biden. Even at NATO dealings, NATO nations, because of Donald Trump's unconventional ways, have increased their spending. Under Barack Obama, it did not happen under George W. Bush. NATO likes to slide, and they think they can just get away with sweet talking American presidents.
Sarap, guys.
So there's a lot of things, unconventional ways to bring peace.
Alam mo kung saan kayo makabili kung uuwi kayo ng Pilipinas? Kung uuwi kayo ng Pilipinas, alam niyo ba kung saan kayo makabili ng mga magagandang mga dried fish, ng mga daing, mga ganun, mga squid, mga kahit anik-anik, iba't ibang klaseng dried fish. Sa ano, sa Cebu talaga. As in, sa Cebu ka talaga makahanap ng magandang ano.
Thank you, Art. It's good to meet you. Talk to you later. Very much.
And Ron McCallum was bringing up the conversation about this speech tonight that Joe Biden and Kamala
You cannot eat this on, look, dried fish on.
especially thinking about him and
Eat that? Eat that? No. That's what I said.
have this moment of a huge first in America. It's so true. And I've been thinking about the history that comes before that moment for her. I think about Jolie Ferraro standing on stage as the first vice presidential candidate, a congresswoman from New York at the time, really broke that barrier in a huge way. Then we had Sarah Palin, of course, vice presidential candidate with John McCain, and then we had Hillary Clinton running for president of the United States. All of those efforts were big milestones, obviously, for women in national politics. But tonight, Kamala Harris will be the first to stand up on a stage and to say that she is the vice president-elect of the United States. And I think that everything that we've seen, it's interesting because I think initially when she was chosen, there was a lot of elation from Democrats as a pick. But she did take sort of a back role during the last several weeks of the campaign, which I thought was very interesting. She was very upfront in some of the advertising that they put out, but not in a big role during the course of the campaign. And I wondered about that a lot, about the single outstanding and why that decision was made by the campaign team and over the course of that period. So I think that the role that she takes on is going to be very, very interesting to watch. You have a hold that shows, her role will be prominent and that she will be the last person in the room on every decision made, as he has clearly said. So, it's going to be very interesting to watch what kind of partnership this develops into. It's so interesting you say that because if you think about Joe Biden, who was the vice president to Barack Obama is a huge financial crisis, and Joe, I'm putting you in charge. And that he was the one who went to Capitol Hill and negotiated with the members of Congress because he had all the relationships. Now you have a sitting senator who now is vice president-elect. She doesn't really have the same kind of relationships with the Republicans that President-elect Biden has. And so how can he really tell?
Hubad tayo. And, iin ko na to ditong vlog kasi wala naman ako masyadong ganap. Mag-ano lang ako. Nag-i-edit ako ng 2 video. Somebody's here. Maghihintay talaga yan siya palagi, guys. As in. I'm peeing. I pee. Mama's peeing. Why you always wanna follow Mama? Every time I go to the bathroom, huh? Why? Okay na. Can you go out, please? Give me a privacy. Can you give me privacy? Can you give me privacy? Give me some privacy, baby. Please. Please. Hi, guys. Give me some privacy. Okay? Give me privacy. You gonna? Bye. Mama will see you tomorrow, guys. She will start vlogging tomorrow again, guys. And Dada will be here tomorrow, guys. Yes, guys. Dada's coming tomorrow. And Mama will say bye-bye, guys. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Roxy, oy. Hindi man ako bigyan ng ano, oy, time, oy. Okay, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Anyway, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Sa bathroom pa talaga mag-in ba? Anyway, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.